If you're searching for the next big thing in AI software, then Pick My Niche AI might just be what you're looking for. This software has just been released and it's already making waves. But is it worth your time? In this review, I'll share 7 crucial things you need to know about Pick My Niche AI before you dive in, especially if you're new to the software. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for the whole video. First things first, Pick My Niche AI is designed to help you pinpoint profitable niches quickly. Whether you're building a blog, launching an e-commerce store, or working on content creation, this software promises to streamline your research process. Instead of spending hours sifting through trends and data, Pick My Niche AI uses advanced algorithms to identify the best opportunities based on your goals. And if you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or content creator, you know that finding the right niche can make or break your success. Now, let me tell you how it works. The software asks a few simple questions about your business or project. Then, it delivers tailored niche recommendations. But it doesn't stop there. It also provides detailed insights into how competitive the niche is, potential profitability, and even audience demographics. These features alone can save you a ton of time and effort, allowing you to get started with your niche selection process almost instantly. Another thing worth noting is how Pick My Niche AI integrates with other tools. If you're already using keyword research tools or content planners, you'll be happy to know that this AI can complement your existing workflow. It doesn't try to replace everything you're already using. Instead, it enhances your productivity by providing additional, valuable niche data. The biggest selling point for me is how intuitive the software is. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. The interface is user-friendly, with a sleek design that guides you through every step. Plus, it's cloud-based, so there's no need to worry about installing software or updating it. You can access your niche ideas from anywhere on any device, which makes it perfect for digital nomads or busy entrepreneurs. Now, here's where it gets even better. You can try Pick My Niche AI completely for free from the first link below. So if you're still on the fence about whether this software is right for you, why not test it out for yourself? I'll dive deeper into its pricing later, but if you're hesitant, this free trial removes all the risk. In terms of accuracy, Pick My Niche AI stands out. It's not just spitting out random niche suggestions, it uses real data to back up its recommendations. For example, it will show you how many people are searching for keywords in your chosen niche and what your potential competition looks like. This level of precision can be invaluable when you're trying to make informed decisions about your next big project. A major perk of Pick My Niche AI is how it continuously updates its data. The digital landscape is always changing and trends can shift overnight. The software stays on top of these changes and adjusts its recommendations accordingly, so you're always working with the most relevant information. At the end of the day, the real question is, should you give it a try? Absolutely. Pick My Niche AI is a solid tool that can help you save time, make smarter decisions, and unlock new opportunities in niche selection. You won't find another tool this effective for narrowing down profitable niches in such a short amount of time. And with the ability to try it for free, there's no reason not to check it out for yourself. If you want to dive deeper into AI tools that can help grow your business, make sure to check out the links in the description below. I've personally tested thousands of AI softwares and these are the ones I trust.